Hello, mister.
Hi, Huda, how are you?
الحمد لله انت عامل ايه؟
Good.
يا مان.
Okay.
بص هو الامتحان امتى؟
I don't know.
7 6 حاجة زي كده.
Really, I don't know.
ايه ده؟ امال الامتحان ازاي؟
طب يعني مفيش امتحانات؟ طب زي الفل أوي.
No. You can check your LMS. You can ask the.
تقول لي قبلها بيوم ولا ايه؟
You can ask Mijan. But really, I don't know. I forget, to be honest with you. I forget the date.
مستر امتحان الباي يوم 15/6.
Okay. Good. 15.
الجدول ده
Okay.
ولا ده تصريح جدع عنه ولا ايه؟
لا الجدول موجود على LMS على فكرة بقاله كتير.
ايه؟ ازاي ما بلغونيش والله؟
We are sorry, Mr. Amr. We are sorry.
مش عارف انا الشغل مش تمام والله.
Okay. Let's start. Today we are going to complete our revision on the fourth quarter. In the last session, we start our revision with the first section, section 6.1, chromosome and meiosis. Today, we are going to complete our revision with the section 6.2, process of meiosis. Before we start the revision, any questions about anything, last section, this section, any points you want?
اوه
Okay. Let's start with the first one. Please, if you know the answer, say it. Don't be shy. This is for your participation grades. For your participation grades, okay? No problem if you.
مستر أنا عملت لها أبلود، عملت أبلود بتاع.
Vision sheet.
لا لا، التانية دي اللي هي
Assignment.
أيوه هو ده.
Okay. I will check it.
أوكي.
Thank you, Ziad.
You're welcome.
Okay. Please react with me for your participation grade. Open your mic. Don't be shy. First one. After a chromosome is replicated, each have is called a space. After the duplication of chromosome, firstly, you must know that before the duplication or before the division, when the cell at rest, the shape of chromosome like this just consists of one chromatid. As a result of the duplication or the division, it will be two chromatids like this. Okay, so this shape of chromosomes appears after the division, not before the division. Okay, so the question asked about each half of this chromosome is called what? You know that?
Chromatid.
What?
Chromatid, whatever. I don't know what does it end with.
Okay, listen to me, Fatima.
Chromatid?
Listen to me.
Yes.
This chromatid. Okay, you say it. Fatima.
Yes.
This is chromatid. This is chromatid. Okay.
Yes.
This is two chromatids, one chromosome. Okay.
Okay.
The question asked about this half, this inside the red circle. This is called what?
Okay.
Did you understand the question?
Yes, I did.
But you don't know the answer, right?
I don't know.
Oh, you don't know. Okay. Who else?
Sister chromatid.
Sister chromatids. Why? Good. Right, Maria. This is called sister chromatids, okay? The part inside the red circle is called sister chromatid. Good, Maria. Excellent. Fatima, you got it?
Yes, I did.
So you know now what the difference between chromatid, chromosome, sister chromatid, right?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Okay. Number two chromosomes that are very similar and carry the same genes are called what? And
Homologous chromosomes.
yes, and one of them inherited from father and the other one inherited from mother. They are
Mother.
called, yes, homologous chromosome. Okay. Next one. In the space below, sketch the faces of meiosis 1 and meiosis 2 and write the name of each face below it. Use figure 2.3 to help you. Figure 2.3, you can find it in your book, chapter 6, section 6.2. Figure 2.3 to help you. Firstly, you must know that sketch shows the faces of the meiosis division. We know that meiosis division divided into two stages, meiosis 1 and meiosis 2. Each one of this stage consists of faces, 4 faces. Just in this sketch, you will write the sequence of each stage. Okay? Meiosis 1 start with which phase?
Prophase 1.
Good, and so on. Completed.
Okay, prophase 1, metaphase 1, anaphase 1, telophase 1.
So number 3, prophase 1, right?
Yes. Then metaphase 1.
Metaphase 1, right? Then
And then anaphase 1.
anaphase. Then
Telophase 1.
okay. What happens if we write the phases without the number? Just pro, meta, ana, telo. Right or wrong?
Wrong.
Wrong. Why? Because pro, meta, ana, telo without refers to the number of stage. It will be mitosis division, right?
Yes.
So we
Yes.
must write the number of stage. If it minus 1, if it minus 2. So don't forget to write the number. You can write the number in normal number, 1, 2, 3, or you can write in Latin language. 1 like this, 2 like this. Okay? Any problem?
No.
Okay. So what is the stage of, or the phases of the meiosis 2?
They're the same, but you add
Not
2.
else. I know Fatima, you know the answer. I need another one.
Prophase 2.
Okay, Maria, pro phase 2, then
Metaphase 2,
metaphase 2, then
anaphase 2,
anaphase 2, the last one,
telophase 2.
telophase 2. You can notice that the difference between telophase 1 and telophase 2. What is the difference between both of them? Oh no.
The number of chromosomes في أول الستيج وآخر الستيج.
Right. And the other difference between telophase 1 and telophase 2. Okay. What is the other difference? It is very, very clear for you. What happened at the end of each one of them?
Like, I don't know. The cell divides.
I know that they're divided.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Concentrate it to the figure and then focus on it. Telophase have how many?
Telophase, it divides into two cells. Anaphase, telophase 1, 2 cells. Telophase 2, 4 cells.
Good. At the end of telophase 1, the producing cell number equal to. But in telophase 2, the produced number of cells, 4 cells. And this is the aims of the meiosis division. Firstly, what are the aims of meiosis division? If you know the meaning of meiosis, we have 2 stages. What are the aims of the first stage and the aims of the second stage, if you know and understand the division of meiosis early? Anyone know?
I think the aim of meiosis in general is like to change diploid cells into haploid.
Good.
This is like,
And what else?
I don't know.
I don't know. Okay, listen to me. All of you listen to me. Pay attention. The aims of meiosis 1, as your friend Fatima said, to reduce the number of chromosomes from diploid to haploid. Okay? And the aims of meiosis 2, increasing the number of producing cells. Okay? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. If you remember the meiosis division, which we studied in the 3rd quarter, the original cell at the end will be 2, right?
Yes.
But in meiosis, the original one divided into 2, then 2 divided into 4. So at the end of the division, the number of producing cell will be 4. Right? So
Yes.
the aims of the meiosis division, firstly, reduce the number of chromosomes from diploid to haploid, and we say that you can find in some scientific reference, some books, some sites, they are called the meiosis division as reduction division because it reduces the number of chromosomes from diploid to haploid, right? And the second aim is increasing the number of producing cells. Why it increasing the number of producing cells, as you know? Why? Why? Genius, where are you?
Dumb. Wait, let me think.
Okay. Increasing the number of producing cells because the meiosis division aims to produce germ cell, 6 cells. So the number of 6 cells must be increasing. You got it?
Then why exactly 4?
Repeat it, please. I don't hear you well.
Why does it have to be exactly 4? Why can't it be like 6 or like 8?
No. It will be successive division. 4 will be 8, 8 will be 16, 16 will be 32, 32 will
So
be...
we'll keep going on?
Yeah.
Okay.
You know that for male to be able for fertilization or to be fertile and producing new individual, it must produce number of sperm more than 4, 5, 6 millions of sperms.
Yeah.
Yeah. So it must increasing the number of germ cell. You got it?
Yes.
So germ cell divided by meiosis division, while somatic cell divided by mitosis division. The difference. So that at the end, you must know that the meiosis division aims to reduce the number of chromosomes from diploid to haploid and increasing the number of germ cell or producing cell. I hope you got it. You got it, all of you?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you sure?
I'm
Don't
sure
try.
I did.
Shall we?
I will repeat it for you, no problem. What? What do you want, Marie?
من الأول
What?
من الأول خالص مفهمتش حاجة.
Okay, which part? Don't be shy. I will repeat it for you. Which part?
سكر.
هي which part?
مش عارفة يا مستر، في حاجة وقعت مني ومش عارفة هي ايه.
Okay, listen to me. You know the sequence of the phases, prophase, metaphase, and so on,
Yes.
right? Okay.
Yes.
I ask about the aim of meiosis division. What is the importance of the meiosis division? Okay, clear?
Okay.
Clear?
Yes.
Okay, there are 2 points. 2 points. Number one, reduce the number of chromosomes from diploid to p haploid. Clear?
Yes.
If you don't understand, don't be shy, no problem. You got it or not?
Yes.
Okay. The second one, increasing the number of producing cells. 2 will be 4, 4 will be 8, 16, 32, 64, and so on. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
Clear or no?
Not clear.
Okay. All of you, it's clear for you? Any problem? Continue?
No. Yes.
Okay. I hope so. Number 13. What does the sperm contribute to an embryo? Listen to me. The question asks about the fertilization process, and we know that the fertilization process is the fusion between male gamete and female gamete to form zygote, and then zygote enters many successive division to be embryo. Again, the question asks about the fertilization process. What's the meaning of fertilization process? Fertilization process means fusion between male gamete and female gamete to form zygote. And zygote enters a many successive division to be an embryo. Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So we have zygote or an embryo will form from male gamete and female gamete, right?
Mm.
Right or no?
Yes, right.
Okay. So we have two persons will contribute to the embryo, will give it something. What is the parts will contribute it from the germ cell, sperm or egg to the an embryo? The formation or the structure of the sperm, tail, neck, and head. The sperm migrates to the egg or ovum. Okay? When the sperm reaches to the ovum, it separated the neck and the tail. The neck consists of mitochondria and head have the nucleus, which carry the DNA material. And inside the ovum, there is a DNA inside the nucleus and the organelles inside it. When the sperm penetrate the membrane of the egg, it release the nucleus inside the ovum to be fusion with the nucleus of the egg. So sperm gives a DNA to the embryo, but the egg contribute DNA and organelles to the embryo, and some molecular building blocks like amino acids, fatty acids, nucleotides, and so on. Clear or repeated?
ايه ده يا بس
Okay, what do you want, Fatim? No problem, you don't be shy.
what is this?
What is this? I explain the fertilization process rapidly, not in details.
Yeah.
Okay, listen to me. Step by step. You know that to form an embryo or new individual, there is some process must be occurs, right?
Yes.
What is the first process? The first one, formation of gametes. Clear?
Yes.
It must be have in the male person the sperm and the female person the egg or ovum. So it must be adult or enter the menstrual period. Okay?
It must be what?
Be adult, not be kids.
Yeah.
Okay?
Yeah.
Okay. So the second stage or the second process to form an embryo or zygote, it must be fertilization, right?
Yes.
What the meaning
Yes.
of fertilization? The fusion
The
between.
fusion. Yeah.
Say it, okay? I
The
hear
fusion between the egg and the sperm.
good. What is the main idea or the function that occurs between the fusion of male? Which part from sperm and ovum fuse with each other? Which part? You say
I
the
don't-
fusion between male gamete and the female gamete. Which part of them will be fused?
I heard you said the head of the sperm thing.
Actually, not the head, but the nucleus inside the head.
Yeah, the part that carries the DNA.
Yeah, good. At the end, we must know that the embryo must contribute the DNA. No one
Yeah.
doesn't have DNA, right?
Yes.
So it will contribute the DNA from where? From both parents.
The nucleus. Yeah. Oh.
The egg still in its side, in fallopian tube inside the female system, and the sperm migrate to the egg. As you know, right?
Yes.
The sperm have head, neck, tail. Three
Yeah.
main parts. But the most important part is the head. Why? Because it includes the
The
nucleus,
nucleus.
which
Yeah.
carry what?
The DNA.
What we need, right?
Yes.
And the neck consists of mitochondria. Mitochondria, as we studied in the first quarter, if I remember well, what is the function of mitochondria? It's the
To
powerhouse,
power the cell. Yeah.
right? So it
Yes.
gives the sperm the energy to be able to move the distance or the whole trip. Clear?
Yes.
Then the sperm reach to the egg. So the fertilization process must be okay. So what happened? We doesn't need the tail and don't need the neck. We just need what? The nucleus.
Yeah.
And the head enters or penetrate the membrane of the egg, then release the nucleus to be fused with the nucleus inside the
Egg.
excellent egg. Good. So sperm contribute what to the embryo? Which part?
The DNA, which is the nucleus part.
We say DNA.
Yeah.
Okay, clear. But the egg contribute what?
What? Why do you write the organelles? The DNA and the organelles?
The DNA. Okay, and we know that the embryo must have DNA and organelles. Okay,
Why? It just needs the DNA, then it will form the organelles. What?
What is the stages of interphase of you remember?
What is wrong? Yeah, I got it.
You got it?
Yes.
Are you sure? I know you are stupid. I know, no problem.
Mister, don't accuse me. Yes, I am stupid.
Okay. You got it now?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. But I want from you to tell me what is the stage of interphase.
The gap one with like the organs duplicate and stuff.
Okay, gap 1 is stage gap 2. So you know that organs are divided. Okay, so the source of organs to be divided inside the egg. Okay, and
Yeah.
egg gives some molecular buildings block like amino acids, fatty acids, as you know. Okay, clear? You
Yes.
got it?
Yes.
I hope so. Number 15. Before solve this number, I want to solve this diagram firstly to understand number 15. Okay, hurry up, we don't have time, just 3 minutes. You have a session after my session?
No.
Okay, we will complete it. We just have 3 questions. Okay,
Okay.
this figure or this diagram explain the gametogenesis. Firstly, what's the meaning of gametogenesis? Gametogenesis is the formation of gametes, sperm or
Yeah.
right?
Yes.
Yeah. Sperm formation, you can check your book, section 6.2, figure 2.4. It explains in details the gametogenesis process. Firstly, sperm comes from the germ cell, testis. Testes are diploid or haploid?
What? They're haploid? Wait.
Haploid?
No, diploid.
Diploid because it produces sperm and the sperms are haploid.
Yes, that's
So
diploid.
germ cell will be diploid
Yes.
and it will be enters meiosis division, right?
Yeah.
At the end of the division, it produces sperm. And we know that at the end of meiosis division, there are 4 producing cells, right?
Yes.
Sperm haploid or diploid?
Haploid.
Good. What about the egg formation? Firstly, but it is the same germ cell, ovaries. Ovaries diploid or haploid?
They're what? What was it? It's diploid.
Diploid.
Diploid and enters meiosis division. But in case of female, if you remember what I said, the female born
What?
with their or her eggs. But in case of male, it produces the sperm when he was adult. But female paired with it, have it already.
Yes.
Okay? But we have another difference. The germ cell, in case of sperm, produces sperm, all of them use it. But in case of female, okay, what happened? Just 1 minute, please.
What is happening in the case of female?
No. Give me a moment. Okay, no problem. Give me a moment. The sheet appears now.
Yes.
Do you see the sheet?
Yes.
Okay. In case of female, after the meiosis division, it produces egg, and we know that at the end of meiosis, it will.
After the mind. Oh yes. Okay.
After meiosis, they are germ cell. Okay. Clear?
Yes. Yes.
They produce 4 cells, 4 eggs.
Why is it only 2? Yeah, 4.
Wait for me. I will explain it. But in case of female, as we know, they have already their eggs. Just 1 egg from each 4 are used, and the recent or the three or the others will be polar bodies. You will ask me why. What is the difference? Why the sperm are more than eggs? You must know that the sperm is the main part or the main role in the fertilization process. The eggs still in their side, while sperm migrates to it. So the number of sperm must be more than number of eggs. Okay?
What?
You don't understand? Or you ask why?
I'm asking, where is this all located? When does this happen?
Which one?
The process
This process?
of meiosis, when does it happen? You said during fertilization. When does fertilization happen? When the egg meets the sperm, right? When the sperm meets the egg or whatever. So why is this happening as if they did not meet already? Because like the sperm doesn't have to travel once it reached the egg. Did you get what I mean?
Okay. Are you finished?
What?
Are you finished about your question?
Yeah, I am, I think.
Okay, listen to me. This figure explain the formation of gametes, the gametogenesis, inside the persons, whether it male or female, not explain the fertilization process.
What does that mean?
What does it mean? What do you say?
I don't get it. I'm confused.
Okay, listen to me. This figure is not
Yes?
related to fertilization.
Okay.
It is related to the formation of gametes inside male and female after
So
fertilization.
this happens in like the male's body and the female's body without the cells meeting, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, so when does the cell meet? And how is this related to fertilization?
They will meet each other during fertilization.
Yes, so this is before fertilization.
Yeah, yeah. When they will be adults.
So mitosis happens before fertilization.
Mitosis what? This occurs
Meiosis.
before meiosis, not mitosis.
Yeah, I'm sorry.
Pay attention, please. Okay? This process occurs by meiosis division, not mitosis division. They are germs.
Meiosis, yes.
Meiosis, not mitosis.
Yes.
Okay?
I know.
And this process before the fertilization. We know that I said to you two.
So meiosis happens before, not during.
Before what?
Before fertilization.
Meiosis occurs before and during and after fertilization.
What? How is that? So like the same process repeats.
What? Listen to me.
But,
Listen to me. We have two persons, male and female.
Yes.
Okay? They reach to the adult age. Clear?
Okay. Yes.
They will form the germ cells. Okay?
Yeah.
The germ cell formation by meiosis or mitosis?
They're just there. You don't have to form them.
Please answer.
I think you have them, like, when you're like an adult.
Germ cell produced. Meiosis or mitosis?
I don't know.
Germ cell, I don't know. Sperm and eggs, germ cell.
They're produced by meiosis, I think.
Meiosis. Good.
Yes.
The fertilization process occurs or not? Doesn't occur.
Yes.
No
Yes.
fertilization.
What?
Why what? The male and the female gametes fusion? No. But inside each one of them, their bodies. The sperm inside the male body, the egg inside the female body.
Yes.
So meiosis occurs after fertilization. Okay?
Yeah.
When the zygote is formed, the zygote may be male, may be,
Female.
okay, which process identify or determine the person or the zygote will be male or female? The meiosis division, egg
Yeah.
or sperm. So it occurs during fertilization.
Mr. Can I ask something? When the
What?
zygote is growing, does it perform mitosis?
Growing?
Yes, like when the baby is already
The whole
formed and it's like
body.
inside the womb, does it perform mitosis?
You ask about the whole body growing, right?
Yes.
Mitosis, not meiosis.
Yes. Okay.
But the germ cell, germ cell meiosis.
Yeah.
I don't say about the whole body. I just say about the sexual cells.
Yeah.
You got it?
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, I am.
Okay. Where are polar number 15? Polar bodies made in male or female?
They're made in female.
In female. And the importance of female, or sorry, the polar body, they are broken down and carry little amount of DNA
Why?
because they are broken down.
They're what?
Broken down.
Why they're broken down? Why are they broken? Why do they need to be
Just use
broken
one
down?
egg. From H4, we just used one. The others broken down, so they have little amount of DNA, and the egg which will be used during fertilization, it must have the most amount of DNA. If you know, you got it?
Okay. Yes, I got it.
Okay, I hope so. What do you say?
No, nothing.
Are you sure? I hear you.
No, I did not say.
The last two questions.
What?
Genesis comes from a Greek word that means to be born. How does this relate to the meaning of gametogenesis? What's the meaning of gametogenesis?
Is the production of gametes.
Good. Production or formation
Of gametes.
of gametes. The last one, what is the polar body? We explained it. Polar body carry little amount of
DNA.
good. No problem. Little of DNA, and they are broken down.
Yeah.
Okay. You can
Yeah.
check the figure 2.4 for more details if you don't